Hello everyone, good to see you again. In today's video, I'd like to talk about two useful constructions. Have something done and get something done. Let's start with have something done. We use it when we talk about a service performed for us or for another person by someone else. It focuses on the action and not on the person who performs it. For example, if I walk my dog, I can say, I walk my dog, and this means that I do it. But if I don't have time to walk my dog and I pay someone else to do that for me, I can say, I have my dog walked, and this means that somebody else does it for me. Let's have a look at some more examples. Susan prepares her meals every day. Susan has her meals prepared every day. I will repair my car next month. I will have my car repaired next month. She's taking her photos. She's having her photos taken. We also use it when something unfortunate happens to someone and they have no control over it. They had their house destroyed by fire. Mona had her bike stolen. Mike had his head hit by a hockey puck. To make this construction, we need the verb have and a past participle. Let me show you how it looks in different tenses. I have my hair cut every month. She's having her meal prepared. I've just had my nails done. We had our house painted. I will have it cleaned. Do you think that the exercises I include in my videos are not enough? Good news! I've just launched an Etsy shop where you can find grammar and vocabulary exercises. Check it out, link is in description. And now, back to the video. Let's move on to the next construction, which is get something done. We use it when we have a feeling that something must be done. I haven't been feeling well recently, I should get my hormone levels checked. Something's wrong with my bike brakes, I must get them fixed. We also use it in imperatives. Get this t-shirt mended, it looks awful. Get your dog trained. It wanted to bite me. I don't care how. Just get it done. To make this construction, we need the verb get and a past participle. You must get your eyes tested. Get your shabby hair cut. We should get those Christmas lights fixed. And now let's do the exercise. Thanks for watching. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel to be up to date with my English lessons. Have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye!